Okay, do you see vertical lines like this? Those right there? That's wind damage. The shingle was blown back, it's starting to stick now. It's blown back and creased. That's just like hail damage. It's not hail damage, it's wind damage. We're going to see some hail damage here in a minute. But we've got all along this slope here. I haven't got the orientation of the house together yet. I'm afraid to call it north or south. Kind of incomplete shingle details here. Come along here. More of that wind damage I was talking about. See how the shingle's got those creases in it? We've got a bunch of these. I'm not a roofing contractor. I'm not an insurance adjuster. Those circles, that's hail damage. There, or impact damage. I don't know. Could have been a feisty roofer's hammer. This looks like hail damage here and here. Okay, these are those two details that I was talking about. All this across here, wind damage, wind damage, wind damage, wind damage, wind damage. Valley could have been better made. Chimneys in the valley, that's crazy. Come along here. Inside of this valley, more impact damage, or is that hail damage? It's definitely messed up. Coming across here. So we're making our way. Wind damage, those are diagonal, same thing, wind damage. Coming across here. I want to make you too seasick. Wind damage, wind damage, wind damage. I didn't put a yellow crayon on all this because my crayon ran out. So you got some orientation. Where I'm standing, not too much damage. The other side of that, damage, damage,